And then I have another one. Where's the other one that I usually like? Rocket Volume Express. Actually, I'm going to use that. I haven't used that in a while. So let's just use it today. I don't know why I was just in the mood to get ready with y'all this morning. I just did get it ready with me the other day. I don't know what that is. There's something that came off. Always wipe off your eyelash curler, y'all. Alright, let it rest right on the lid and then mash down. Are y'all having a good time? I need to sit back in my chair a little. By the way, I found that I think it's called Hobnail candle back there, and I love it. What do y'all think? It looks so old-fashioned. I love those. Okay, now let me get some of this Rocket Volume Express. Never go in and out, only swirl around and around inside. That's what picks up the goo. And then listen, that's actually dry. This one's about to run out, but I have a couple of backups of it over there. Tip out the ends first, really good. Get both sides. Get the ends good. Make sure your hair is out of the way. And then starting on the outer side, just thin out all the goop you just put on from the base out. So you're adding some to the base and you're thinning out what was on the tip ends. Point towards your nose, the inner ones, so it's straight up in the middle. And then outer towards the ear. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down. Okay, so just first coating the lower lash. Some people don't like to do lower lashes. I completely disagree. I think it looks so unfinished to have obvious black mascara paint on your lashes. Doesn't look natural. It looks naturally made up, but it doesn't look natural. But you only do the top. It's like y'all forgot your lower lash. To me, it looks unfinished. And people say it makes you look younger. It does not. It actually, the lashes distract from the wrinkles, so it's better to have the mascara on the lower lash. Push towards the nose. This is a comb spoolie, and so it's very, instead of a brush, bristle brush, and I feel like it rakes off the excess really well, so it does actually give a little more, a better finished look actually. I feel like I did my right mascara better and my left liner better. I really think it does have something to do with the fact of whether or not you're right-handed, because you pull differently across the eye on the liner. But for the mascara, I don't know, it feels a little more coordinated as far as the pull through. Okay, so now I'm going to reload the brush and do a second layer. Actually, I'll start over here this time. I'm going to tip it out one more time because I just like that look. To me, if you're going to put mascara on, I want it to look like mascara. And I want to make sure it's thoroughly coated, but then I want to thin it out with the comb. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Did y'all see me do that? Just going to use my finger to get that off. Because luckily I have a little towel beneath. I can just wipe my finger off. I'm going to tip that way. Tip that way. Tip this one more time. Whoops. I'm having boo-boos today. And now I'm going to tip out the lower lash, squint, and that makes the lashes pop up. It's not because you can't see, it's because that muscular response is to raise the lashes up. And you want to do that when you're trying to tip out the ends to make them more noticeable. like I'm not doing a very good job today, y'all. There. I don't feel like that's the best job I've ever done, but it'll do. See, at some point you gotta know when to just quit and say, you know what, it is what it is.